The girl got flown in the sky and her pants are on the tree. Ariella, if you get flown in the sky, what's going to happen?
Fall.
We're not going to find you anymore?
Yeah.
Are you going to be in the clouds?
Maybe.
There's going to be a lot of wind, right? How old are you?
4.
4? Yeah.
4.
All right.
What?
You want to say bye?
Bye.
I didn't hear you.
Bye.
I didn't hear you, dude.
Bye.
One more time.
Bye.
All right. It's rainy days.
What?
It's a rainy day.
What? Rainy day?
I'm going to call the wind to blow you away. Wind. Ariella wants to be blown in the trees.
No, I don't.
You do. Wind, come get her. Go stand over there. He'll take you away.
No. I don't like to.
Oh, here it comes. Do you feel the wind? Hold on to me. Hold on. Oh, okay, good. He's going away.
Hold my hand.
All right.